Today, we're going to learn how to create a fact-checking system using make.com and AI. In today's world, it's not uncommon for us to consume misinformation from our favorite media, oftentimes accidentally. There's so much content out there and information is coming at us so fast that fact-checking each and every claim could feel like a full-time job. But what if there was a way you could automate that process? In today's video, we're going to teach you how to create a make.com scenario that fact-checks each and every claim made in the content you consume. The first thing we'll do is add the Airtable module, and our action is going to be the Watch Records action. This is where we're going to be watching our Airtable base for video links we'll be dropping for fact-checking. We're going to add our base. We'll set our table. We'll set our trigger field, which is going to be our created date, and our label field is going to be our YouTube URL. Let's set our view to grid view. This is the base where we're going to be dropping our YouTube links and our fact-checked reports. Our next module is going to be the Dumpling AI module, and our action is going to be the Get YouTube Transcript action. We're going to get our URL from our Airtable base. We won't be including any timestamps, and our preferred language is going to be in English. We're going to add another Dumpling AI module, and our action is going to be the Generate AI Agent Completion action. Let's take a quick detour and hop on over to the Agents section of our Dumpling AI dashboard. We're going to create an AI agent specifically to fact-check any and all information it receives. We'll give this agent a name and a description outlining its task. We've saved our prompt beforehand in Google Docs, and this prompt lists the steps our agent should follow in its decision-making process. Let's copy and paste it here. Now, to truly make our agent work the way we want it to as a fact-checker, we're going to give it tools to work with. The tools we're adding are the Search Google News tool and the Search Google tool. In our prompt, we asked our agent to analyze texts and identify any claims and statements made. Now, with the tools we've added, it's going to perform a Google search using the identified claims and statements before leaving a response on its veracity. Let's copy our agent ID and paste it in Make. For our message, we want our role to be user and our content to be the YouTube transcripts from our previous module. Our last module is going to be the Airtable module, and our action is going to be the Update a Record action. Our base and our table are going to be the same as our earlier Airtable module. Our record ID is going to be the ID from our previous module, and the only record we're updating is the fact-check record, and we're going to add the generated text from our Dumpling AI agent. Let's save our scenario and test it out. We'll go over to YouTube and copy the link to a video, and we're going to drop the link in our Airtable table and run our scenario. To recap, we're saving YouTube URL links in our Airtable base. We're extracting the transcripts from these YouTube videos. We're running the transcripts through our AI agent, which is going to identify any claims and statements made in these transcripts and search the web to verify them. And we're going to send the results back to our Airtable base. And as you can see, our scenario worked. Our agent has been successfully able to identify claims made in our YouTube video and fact-check these claims. It's even provided sources to back up its findings. It's easy to fall prey to outlandish claims and latch on to the first piece of information we hear, especially if it's from our favorite medium and creators. But with this automation, you can now verify if what you've heard is true or if it's an exaggerated claim. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.